Hi guys, today's video I think very special because today we are analyzing the market based on pure price action. The market analysis is done by two methods, fundamental and technical analysis. Today we are just focusing on technical analysis. In upcoming days I will also show how fundamental analysis is also important. Today we're gonna analyze DXY, dollar index, Euro USD, GBP USD and gold chart. Without wasting much time, let's jump straight into the chart. First, DXY, dollar index. As you can see, the weekly chart, the market is in a bearish trend. Here, the bearish trend continues, tapping extreme zone and then continues also. Now, let's study this price action. Before studying this, do you notice anything here? The market clearly making a bullish flag pattern. This is the bullish flag pattern. This, let's zoom in. For me, anything close, if price close above this high, I will be in long position. Until then, let's trade based on the market move. Switching to daily time frame, let's remove this. Switching to daily time frame. In daily time frame also the market is in a bearish trend. Here I can see a bullish wyckoff pattern. Before before tapping this extreme zone, the market created a bullish wyckoff pattern. This accumulation, this is accumulation and this is spring or manipulation, and this is the sign of strength entering here and then fall. The same pattern is created here also in the recent price action. This is accumulation, this is spring or manipulation, the sign of strength, and we sign of strength and enter somewhere here and then fall. Now the thing is where to enter and where to exit and where to put the stop loss. For exit, I think it's very simple. Mark a strong fair value gap or imbalance. I think this is the great exit. For entry, marking the strong support and resistance zone. As you can see here, we can clearly see this is the strong support and resistance zone. From here to here, I think this is the strong support and resistance zone. For me, if price comes below to this zone, if price comes to this zone, then I am in and exit somewhere here. For stop loss, I never recommend to put the stop loss. Don't show a market maker where the liquidity is by putting a stop loss. If you want to put the stop loss, then put below the swing low. Give the trade to breathe or allow the trade to move somehow before moving in your direction. Don't put tight stop loss. Not every trade always touch the zone and then boom as you expected. If this is the case, then 90% trader never make loss. Consider any big trader. Watch their interview. And if anyone asks them where you put stop loss, then their answer will be, if trade go against my plan, then I will close the trade manually. This stop loss or SMC stop loss is fooling you. Yes, risk reward is big, but if you grow your account 2 to 5% each month consistently with small lot size and small profit target, that is more than enough in trading. I hope you understood my intention. Let's jump into a chart. Switching to 4-hour chart. Here, after finding a great support and resistance zone, find the best supply and demand zone SND with strong fair value gap. Here I think this order flow, this order flow I think this order flow is great, and below this also this is unmitigated order block also. If this we treat as liquidity, then market will tap here, market will tap here, here, and then boom. I think the market will follow like this, but we never know how market react to the price action. Market can go some bit lower here and takes every stop loss below here, then reverse. That's why I'm telling to put the stop loss below the swing. Take small lot size and enter. Take 1:1 risk reward ratio. That's more than enough. I think growing 2 to 5% is enough for trading every month consistently. So I think this is the trade idea in DXY dollar index. Starting from the weekly chart, the GBP USD. This is the great low here. This is the great low. From this zone, created a new high. Then market break the structure. Let's consider this as a break of structure. And again, tap this extreme POI here. Then again, the market break this structure also. Break this structure. Now the market is not able to break this structure and created a wick. Which means market wants to tap the POI or fair value gap imbalance. I think this zone is favorable for buy positions in GBP USD. I think below that no fair value gap. Let's move to daily time frame and check whether there is fair value gap or not. Let's check it here. I think you can see this is the strong fair value gap. This is the strong fair value gap. Below that there is also this demand zone, and everything is mitigated. If you take the entry here, then put the stop loss below this. Let's see how daily chart is reacting. You see market created this high and this daily takeoff structure happened here, and market tap here. From daily time frame, what I can say is market sweep this strong low, so we can expect some buy until this zone somewhere here, or this order flow, or this demand zone, or this supply zone, to reverse, and then boom. Let's see from forward chart. In 4-hour chart also we cannot take the decision, so ignoring 4-hour chart, let's see on hourly chart. Here you can clearly see the market is in bullish trend, internal bullish trend. If really the market wants, if you really want to know, to confirm the bullish trend, then this is the change of character. This is the change of character. If price break this high and then reverse, then you can enter long position somewhere here, and exit somewhere here. For now, In hourly chart or in hourly chart also it's not saying anything. I think let's move to 15 minutes chart. Is there anything else to check? Is there anything else in 50 minutes chart? This is change of character. This is change of character. Minutes chart. This is change of character. And again, the market break this structure here, break this structure here. And as you can see, these all are liquidity. The price are creating noisy here. Equal lows. These all are liquidity. And I think if price tap here, this fair value gap. Let's see, is there any demand zone here on hourly chart? Yeah, you can see this is demand zone in hourly chart. If price tap here, we can expect some buy. Where you will put the stop loss below this low. I think where you will exit. Exit is this fair value gap, the strong fair value gap. As I told you, the strong fair value gap works better for exit, and putting stop loss below the low or swing low. I think this GBP USD is risky trade because no confirmation, nothing from hourly chart, 4 hour chart, and daily time frame. So if you really want to risk your capital some 1% to 2%, then you can take the trade like this. And yeah, the risk reward is high in this trade because if you take the entry from here, you only put stop loss 400 pips, around 400 to 500 pips, and then you can target this high first, around 1000 pips, and you can also target above this zone around 1800 to 2000 pips. So this is high risk, high reward setup GBP USD. Let's see how the market reacts in upcoming days. Let me show you why I am profitable since 2020-22. My concept is very simple. I take only 50% of the pullback. I think you don't understand my word. Let's learn with example. Let's assume this is the bullish trend. As a trader, my job is marking the best demand zone from this below the 50% zone. Let's assume this is the best demand zone. Let's remove it. I wait until this. I wait until the price to reach this zone and take the entry and target only this 50% of the pullback. Like this. I only target this area. Anything supply or demand zone here, 50% of this pullback, I only target that from this zone and put very tight stop loss. One is to take 1:1 risk reward ratio. By swing low, I put my stop loss below the swing low and target this 50% of the pullback and then leave. If market reverse from here, then I don't care. If market take this high, also I don't care. That's why only 50% of this pullback is enough. Making 1% or 2 to 5% a month is much in trading. I hope you understand my concept. Target only the 50% of this pullback zone. Every time it works almost 80 to 90%, only 10% it don't work directly hit my stop loss. I hope you Understood my concept? Now, the next gold chart. Here, as you can see, if price touch this $3,500, if price from this zone touch this $3,500, the price can immediately go bullish and then again come back to this zone and then go sideways. I think this will happen in gold chart because the sudden spike and sudden drop, then again somewhere the sideways should happen. So I think for this 3500 zone is very better. Until that we want to sell. I greatly believe in some short position from here on gold because from last 2023 the gold is so bullish. Now it's overbought zone, so I expect some short position. So let's see on daily chart. In daily chart also you can see the price break this low and actual break of structure happen here with this is the actual break of structure, and again price break the structure. Again, I'm strongly saying that the price should move to 3500, then sudden spike up, then again come down and go sideways like this. Now let's move to hourly chart. Let's see how hourly chart is doing good. Here you can see the lot of noises. This is lot of noise here, creating a low lot of noises from this demand zone. No, supply zone, sorry. From this supply zone, the market reacting. Now what I'm telling you is take short position from here and put your stop loss around 100 pip. Take very small lot size around 0.02, and if price reach 1:1 ratio, then move your stop loss or leave it and then target $3,500. Then target $1,500. For this, I don't know when the price will reach from here to 3,500, but definitely I think I strongly believe the price will touch this $3,500. If you are a believer on swing trade, or if you are a swing trader, then it's a big opportunity for you if you take a risk 100 to $200, and you can really target $500 or $1,000. If market reach 1:1 ratio, then close your half of your position, close the half of your position, then leave another half to reach this $3,500. I think this is the trade idea for gold chart. From if market take this high, then the next zone, I think this is the next zone. You can immediately sell from here by putting your stop loss above this zone. I think this is also a great zone to sell. Any confirmation here, any confirmation here, you can sell from this zone. Starting from the weekly chart, marking high of the week, market created strong wick. Market created strong wick and break this low. Again, the price break this low also. As per my experience, If market break previous swing low, we can expect some pullback. For that, until this supply zone, we can go long on Euro USD. From this zone, we can expect some short positions. Switching to daily chart. In daily chart, we cannot say anything what will happen because it's the same as weekly chart. So let's switch to 4 hour chart. This is the strong support and resistance. If we see the previous price action, I think it will break because exactly when it tap on the previous support and resistance, it gives sudden reaction, then break downside. So I think it's a fake support and resistance. The market will go bullish. I think this demand is perfect. I think this demand is perfect. If price comes here and give any confirmation, then I will buy. And for stop loss, I will put it on the swing low here. This is the fake SNR. Watching the previous price action, definitely it will break. Switching to hourly chart. As you can see, the market structure shift happens here. In this zone, again, after taking all liquidity, market break this structure also. Now, you can see equal low here, a strong fair value gap here. If price tap on fair value gap after taking all liquidity or equal low, I will buy and put my stop loss below the swing low. Price wants to, if price give any confirmation before move, if price target target the strong fair value gap above. This is the Euro USD trade idea for this week. Okay, I think these are the trade ideas for gold, GBP USD, and Euro USD, and dollar index or DXY. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look how my analysis work. I never put stop loss tight stop loss. I always put stop loss above the swing high. That's why I am profitable. Yeah, in earlier stage, I am also like you guys. Put tight stop loss, follow ICT, follow SMC, put very tight stop loss, getting high risk trade. And once the trade I hit stop loss, then I go mad and then I lost everything by over trading. So that's why I'm telling you not to trade like me early because I don't have I started 2019. I started from 2019. I don't have much nowadays. You have so many gurus or teachers to help with. You can really check GFX or Ahmed Daniel. Ahmed Daniel also. I think this is how the trading works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, then please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video.